¿Cómo estás, amiga? ¿Lista para el día?
Eso espero. El café nos ayudará.
Subscribe to my channel, Entrando.
Bring the crate to bay 4. Careful with the turn, watch your clearance.
Copy that, moving it now.
Make sure that stack is secure before you move it.
Yes, sir, already strapped down.
Batch number 4R7 checked against the manifest.
Confirmed.
Logging it now on the tablet?
And the permit expiration is valid through Q4.
The permit matches the QR code.
Batch numbers align with the tablet data.
Verification complete for this section.
I'm getting a moisture reading of 12%, but the color consistency is slightly uneven.
All right, let's log that as a B+ grade.
The moisture content here is slightly high. Color grading. Yes, but the color grading is excellent on this batch.
Make sure the burley goes in the right bin. That Oriental is fragile.
Suitable.
The chromatography results look promising, but the sensory notes are slightly off profile.
The peak intensity matches.
The burn rate matches the specification.
Good, the flavor notes align perfectly with the reference.
We need to increase the agent flow.
Bringing it up by 5%. The moisture check is complete.
Let's increase the flow rate slightly on the flavorings.
Confirmed. Levels are stabilizing.
Moisture levels are stable at 12%.
Good.
The aroma profile is consistent with the Golden Blend standard. Recording verification. The microbial counts on this batch are slightly elevated.
Check the chemical residue levels from the GCMS.
The shipping codes match the export controls listed here.
And the ingredient claims are verified.
Looks compliant. We can sign off on this batch.
Double check the destination codes on these manifests, character C.
Everything on the tablet. Everything on the tablet, current regulation standards. Lead.
Go ahead and set that one down on conveyor line 3. Make sure the labels are facing out.
The health warning size must be compliant with the new regulations by the next run.
This display unit here doesn't match the approved mock-up.
Okay, I'm making a note to follow up with the print vendor. This graphic is non-compliant with the new regulations.
Agreed. We must ensure all materials adhere strictly to the guidelines before the audit.
We need to adjust staffing for the night shift to cover the increased volume projections.
I'll update the board and reassign Line A personnel immediately.
We must ensure full compliance with the new age restrictions. This warning label is mandatory.
I understand, but the labeling department says this covers too much.
The positioning of this age restriction label is inconsistent. It must be clearly visible on every pack.
We are implementing new quality.
Subscribe to my channel, Entrando.